Menteri ka suka jila ba Lahkmen rembui ubadai du MLA ka amarem wala ong ba ka jing jabo ka Umngot kumla pa wa ni sngi ka bandai na ka jing tu ka khandau na ka jing ti surak ka company ha ka shilong dau ki root ka bala penlong ya uslap ban kit ya ka khandau asut haba kran menta ka sngi ka lai tri nai weng a jalap san no ba Lahkmen ong ba ka surak na du lai lengkot syadu lang kedem ka khang kat kum ka por ha ki Bnai ba dep kham tam ka por puja na ka jing tua ka khandau ba ka company ka la persyang ban pen khuit state ya ka srok da ba khala pathar tang ban pen lai kali bat day na ka ne ka dau ba kala ban Ktah ya ka haden ba slap ulakit ya ka khandau asut syadu ka wa song ka batoi atat syadu wa Umngot ulong ba ka jing paunam ka jing khuit ka wa Umngot kala penlong ya ki babun ki toris nabar ban kam Lypa nei booking dagi Bnai ban wan Peit kai hanrei ka jing saw ka ha gini kisngi ka Ktah ya ka ne ka kam jingok kai Susu menteri ong ba ka pol slap la ban ong ba ka yai ka jing snai surok namar ba ka kala ban tui hanrei ha ka pol tlang ba ka rang ka wa ka dei ban long ka ba khui
So all the measures have been taken in the DPR. So if there is any violation in the condition of the DPR, so the Pollution Control Board or the authority concerned, they will take necessary action as per provision of the law. We cannot deny the fact that Umngot River is famous for its crystal clear water, where the people who are doing boating, the people who are fishing, they really love the Umngot River. But recently, due to the reason unknown to me, but having said that, the water of River Umngot has turned muddy, which is affect the life of the fish or any thing are living there, living bodies in the water. Not only that, it also affects the livelihood of the people, because as I said, there are many tourists all over the world who are longing to go to Umngot. They have made the program 6 months, 5 months, 1 year beforehand. They want to go to Umngot to see how is that crystal clear water, how is that the beauty of that river. But as I said, in the last few weeks, due to the expansion of the road, not near the Umngot, but it seems that just below Lypa, there is one small tributary of Umngot, or so the rivulet which flows to Umngot. So if you remember correctly, that few weeks back before Puja or in the midst of Puja, there's a heavy landslide in that area, and it seems that the company or the contractor who is doing the work, that they dump the soil just to clear the road. They dump the soil nearby. So it seems that soil, because it falls into that rivulet or stream, so it carries into the river Umngot. But the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister have already spoken to the company to see that how that this river, this beautiful river, which is an asset of the state, assets in the sense that tourism, Umngot is one of the destinations, snorkeling is one of the destinations, Dapi is one of the destinations of the tourists, where because of that, the people from Khanapara till Shillong till Umngot, they earn the livelihood, should not affect their livelihood. So the company have responded positively that to see that if there is any corrective measure, it can be done so that the glory of River Umngot, the pristine, clear, crystal clear river, it will be there for the benefit of the state, because a muddy River Umngot is a loss for the livelihood of the people. It's not the question of the precautionary measure. It is a question of that. It seems, as I said before, that during the weeks leading to the puja or after puja, if you remember correctly, that for many days the stretch after Lypa court was closed due to the landslide and also the rain. So in that movement, it seems that this company have tried to clear as much as possible. So it seems they took advantage of that and dump everywhere. So this effect. So because if they don't throw into the stream or rivulet, because now there is no rain, so the water will be clear. And of course, during rainy season, I cannot say that, because during construction, we cannot just stop the running of the rainwater or any stream. But at least during winter, during this time, so the water should be clear, clean and clear.
Meghalaya Pollution Control